So hello guys, welcome back sa YouTube channel natin, Jerry's TV. For today's video guys, isa dito tayo sa ating shop sa fabrication guys. Ito yung ginagawa natin ng mga windows. Fixed to siya guys, na double. So aluminum frame pala na ginagawa natin para to sa Jizan na project. So ayan, ginagawa na natin, pinafabricate na natin dito sa mismong shop. So ayan guys, maya maya guys makita nyo yung pagbiyahe namin kasi kinabukasan is aalis kami papuntang Jizan doon sa location para ikabit tong mga frame muna guys bago yung glass. So tara guys, let's go. Don't forget to subscribe, Jerry's TV. Kain guys, pamahaw. Wow, motor. Let's go. Bukid sadik. Bukid. Dito nga.
ना धर ना भाई लाइन टेन टाइम पे ये दे रही है।
Ano yung project na mo, Drake? Sadik! Bro! Your video, bro! We're in the project, bro. This is our project, bro. Big glass, double glass. Show them, bro, that double glass. This is the double. You go, bro. With the glass, it's very big. Oh. Oh, this is our location, bro. Woo. This is our project, bro. Let's go, bro. Khalil, bro. Okay, let's go. Jizan. Guys, ganda dito, guys. Jizan Park. Upaw Park. So ayan guys, thank you so much sa pagbisita guys sa ating YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit notification bell and see you on my next video guys. So ayan guys, abangan ng next vlog natin ng adventure natin dito sa Saudi Arabia. Thank you so much guys. Follow for more, subscribe, Jerry's TV. Let's go!